Hello everyone, welcome to Pably Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Salesforce and Trello. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new lead is created in Salesforce, it will automatically add a card in Trello. Now Salesforce is an awesome CRM tool and Trello is a list building application. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from Salesforce to Trello. But there is one minor problem. Of course, there is some kind of integration between Salesforce and Trello, but this native integration is actually very limited. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pably Connect to integrate Salesforce and Trello. And the best part of using Pably Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pably.com in your browser. Pably.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pably.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pably Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pably Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing that Pably Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Salesforce to Trello. Salesforce to Trello. To Trello. Okay, so just click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Salesforce? Because we want to send the data from Salesforce. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new lead? Okay, so your obvious question is what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new lead is made, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there is one more trigger event like new task. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pably.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new lead is made in Salesforce. Okay, so just click on connect with Salesforce. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Salesforce. Okay, so it is trying to connect. So Pably Connect is demanding access. Just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. So when you click on OK, it is asking for a blank called as the instance URL. So to get the instance URL, let's have a visit to our Salesforce. So basically, this is our instance URL. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so basically you have added the instance URL. Just remove this hash part. We don't need that. And just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data. So the data is basically the lead that has been recently created. For example, it is showing the lead as Donald Trump. This is because I have recently created a lead. So how about we create one more lead? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create another lead. So the name of the lead is, for example, I'm going with the first name, Tom Cruise. Okay, and this is the lead. Tom Cruiser. How about we go with the name Tom Cruiser? Okay, so this is the lead that we have, we are going to save. Okay, so a lead called as Tom Cruiser has been created. So this is the name. Okay, so let's go to Pably Connect and let's click on save and send test request once again. Okay, so now it is showing the data related to Tom Cruiser. Okay, so this is the name Tom Cruiser, and this is the last name Tom Cruise. In fact, I should have mentioned the first name as Tom Cruise only or Tom only, but it's okay. So my point is any lead that has been recently created, when we click on save and send test request, it will be shown as the API response. Okay, so basically now we have to create a card from the data that is present here. So to do that, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as Trello, because we want to create a card in Trello. Now in the action event, we are just going to click on add new card. Then again click on connect with Trello. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill: the username, the API key and the token. So to get all these details, just click on here. Okay, so when you click on here, you will find the API key. Copy this and simply paste it here. This is the API key you want. Then we have to fill the username and then we have to fill the token. So to get both of them, just click on generate a token here. Okay, so basically this is your username. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so now we just want the token. So to get the token, just scroll down and just click on allow. And it will generate a new token. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the username, then we have entered the API key, and also we have entered the token. Just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is we are going to create a card in a particular list in Trello from the data that we have derived from Salesforce via Pabbly Connect. So before we sink in the details, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with this. Okay, so as you can see in the choose port, it is showing it as alpha port. Okay, so let me explain to you why it is that. So as you can see, we have a ton of boards, Moonstuck, Gold, testing and all. So these are all the boards. So basically all those boards that is present here will be reflected here. Okay, since Pabbly Connect is now integrated with Trello, that is why. So basically we have a board called as Moonstuck. So I want to create a card in this particular board called as Moonstuck. So I'm choosing this particular board. Now in the Moonstuck, there are many lists called as the Crater, Apollo, South Pole and the North Pole. Okay, so in the Moonstruck, there are, when we expand the list, we have all those lists: Crater, Apollo, South Pole and the North Pole. To explain you better, how about we add another list? I am going to add a list called as Equator. So I have added a list called as Equator. And when we click on refresh here, and when we scroll down, you can expect to find the list called as the Equator. So the idea is that I'm going to create a card in this particular board called as Moonstuck in this particular list called as the Equator. Okay, so we can give a name to this card. So the name of the card is Tom Cruise Cruiser. Okay, so this is the name of the card that is going to be. So let me introduce you to this button. This is called as the mapping button. All you have to do is just click here and enter all the details that we have derived from Salesforce via Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to name the card as Tom Cruiser Cruise. Basically, that's the lead. Okay, so in the description of the card, we can enter the time or basically the address. Okay, so we have entered the description of the card as address. If you want, we can enter more details, but at present, I'm just really satisfied with the address. Okay, so I'm just clicking on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been given to Trello. So let's have a look in Trello, whether in Moonstruck, whether we have a card. Okay, so as you can see in the Equator, it is showing a card called as Tom Cruiser Cruise. Excellent. So the presence of this card in this particular list, in this particular board, shows that we have successfully integrated Trello and Salesforce with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just minimizing my action window, and I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Salesforce to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Trello. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Salesforce and Trello. Excellent. So how about we create one more lead? So I'm going back to creating a lead. So I'm just clicking on new, and we are going to give a name. So okay, so the name of the first name is Thomas Grease. Okay, Thompson Grease. So I'm going to make some changes as Thorn Bella. So this is the name. First name is Thorn Bella, and we are going to make some changes in the email. Okay, so that is it. We are just going to click on save. Okay, so we have to enter a company name. So this is the company name, DLFG. Okay, so just click on save. Okay, so a lead called as Thornbella Grease has been created. Now let's have a look in Trello whether there is a card related to Thornbella. Okay, so let me refresh this. Okay, so as you can see in the equator, that is the list, and the board called as Moonstruck, there is a card called as Thornbella Grease. Excellent. So this means our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new lead is created in Salesforce, it will be reflected as a card in Trello.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.